friends, welcome back to my channel and this quick video of the cage, those are finger air quotes, that Mike built me to hold my lights in my recording. So here's what it looked like before. Yeah, kind of a hot mess. Those lights up on tripods, kind of crammed in there any old way. Tripods in the way so you lose your floor space and all that stuff. And I just, in my little camera arm, my phone camera arm, kind of sticking out there. So here's Mike getting ready to build what my plans were. It didn't quite come out as I planned, but that's some scrap metal. We have lots of it. Mike gets to go to Costco and collect scrap metal. So I don't have permission to video that guy in the background. So sorry about the big old smiley face. But here's Mike working his grinder, cutting up those pieces. And then there's Mike's welder. He's got it on a nice heavy-duty cart, which is super, super handy. And here's Mike taking measurements of the pieces that he's going to need. And here he is grinding pieces off, matching the sides up. So exciting. It took a couple of days, though, because he was talking about the galvanized stuff making him nauseated. I don't know what any of that means, but I'm so excited that he can weld and he gets all this scrap metal from Costco. So here it is, just about ready to go get installed. And then here's my craft room. Much of it is the same as the last time you saw on a video, but it's a much shorter video, and I'll just kind of give a quick little tour here. This is kind of a spot of my more frequently used dies and things. There's my window. It's raining today. There's my air conditioner. And this side is still a hot mess. I'll get it eventually, but I'm not worried about it because it's more stuff that I don't frequently use, except for my rags, of course. And let's see here. This is a cart that I have. There's all my hot foil stuff. Here's all my toner foil stuff. And then over here I've got my EcoTank printer and my sewing machine, and everything else is kind of the same going on here. Just shelves with miscellaneous stamps and dies and etc. on it. Paper, lots and lots of paper. Those are all 6x6 paper pads. Lots of them, and loose 6x6 paper. Down there I've got my alcohol inks in my little tins, and more stamps. In here I keep my stencils, most of my stencils. I have them in other assorted places too, but that's the bulk of them. There's my Vagabond. Let's see, here's where I keep my pencils and some of my Arteza pens and my Carines and my Zigs, and just stuff going up to the ceiling. There's my color cubes. And let's flip around here. And I know you guys have seen my beautiful, amazing ink display that Mike got me. I've got all my inks kind of in rainbow order. They'll be a hot mess in 2 days, but they're all straight for now. That's all Christmas stuff. That little basket down there is also Christmas stuff. There I've got my 4.25, my A2 size papers. So let's back up and see the star of the show, which is the cage. And it goes all the way to the ceiling. And I've got my lights mounted on those sides. Now that ring light doesn't work, doggone it. It was working. Here's what I see when I'm doing a live on my Mac. And see, you can see the little chat there. And you can see I've got my iPhone sitting there, so I'm filming with my Android. And I only film with an iPhone. So here's kind of some more what the cage looks like, and I have all kinds of magnets connected to it. And then there's my iPhone with the what you see. And then I've got another little arm there for vertical filming. There's all of my cutting things and all of my ink stains and my paints. Let's see here. I keep my little scissors and my favorite tweezers right there on that little Stacy Parks thing. And let me sit down here a minute so I can just kind of just show you some of my junk. I know we all like to look at other people's stuff. And so I have all my papers that I reach for and things that I reach for frequently. Everything is within reach, pretty much, things that I mostly grab. There's my mint tape, and then just, other stuffs and things. And let's see, let's flip around here. What do we see over here? Just same stuff that was there before. Up there you see I've got my mica stains. There's my crybaby face. And my purses. There we go. There's those mica stains. And I love that old German ruler. Here's that spinny thingy. I've got two of them right next to each other. I've moved those from where they used to be. That needs to sit straight or I'll go crazy. Let's see. My Empress, another spinny thingy, another spinny thingy. Down here I've got my Tim Holtz blade trimmer, and just papers in that one. Right there are my frequently I need to do things. Here's where I have, hang on, there's my paper towel holder. Here's where I have my Ohuhu markers, and I have them set up, by letter and number, and then that's the little chart, and this is just the little container I use so when I'm coloring with them I can keep them contained in a container. Get on there. You can do it. I know you can. Nothing in this one right now. Friends, I have made mad the stink bugs that were hiding in this room. I've killed 4 of them since I moved things around already. So I keep all my color paper and stuff on this shelf. And then down here I've got Trinity stuff and I've got Simon Hurley stuff. A little farther down I've got more Simon Hurley and I've got my Lavinia. Yeah, that shelf. And then this little shelf here. But the main thing I wanted to show you, and I just move this card around as needed. The main thing I wanted to show you, and sorry about the door, lots of dogs banging against it in history. I need to replace it one day. Main thing I wanted to show you was my cage. I hope you liked it, and take care. See you around. Bye-bye.